Hey guys, here's a quick tip for if you want your 3D printer to last longer, forever, with least maintenance. Please do this every 2 to 3 months. I would recommend depending on the intensity at which you print. So, what I recommend is to use something called metal grease. If you can focus it, yeah, metal grease. Yeah, so this is something it came with my own printer, but please buy it if you don't have any one of those things. Every 2 3 months, apply a bit of metal grease and use some microfiber cloth, and then wipe all the rails of X, Y, and Z axis. And do it meticulously so that you can remove the dirt, because every time you every 2 3 months I start cleaning the rails, you can see the a black color gunk that is formed along the rails. This will cause poor, this will reflect directly in the quality of the print and also vibration of the printer. Since I use my printer, just the printer is just behind me often, I am pretty used to the sound, and whenever the sound of the printer changes, I can guess that the vibration is too much or something. It's probably because I did not like take care of my railings and lubricate it enough with this metal grease. So always apply a little bit, use your fingers or use a q-tip or a microfiber cloth, and then nicely wipe out the black color gunk or any kind of residues from the rails, and make sure it's smooth enough, and then apply a little bit of extra metal grease and wipe it all over so that there is enough lubrication for it to move frictionless. Okay, so and then you will immediately see a change in the sound of the printer. When the nozzle heat bed is moving, you will not see the get the weird sound of the grinding noise or kind of a higher tone in terms of noise production. So this will really help your 3D printer to last longer with less probability to fail. See you.